Hi everyone, it's Tina with TSR Creations. So today I'm going to be doing a swipe. Um, my inspiration is Kaz Creations, and so I'm going to try her method where she uses damp paper towels to swipe with. And I have all these metallics that I want to use because I got some new Arteza paints. So the first one I'm going to be using is this Pearl Space Gray. It's pretty. And then I have a rose gold, and this is a deco art. Pretty. Okay, and then I have this metallic Modern Masters, and this is, what is the name of this one? Oh, Gold Rush, and it's a satin finish, and I added some Extreme Sheen deco art to it as well. Okay. My paints have been sitting here for a little bit, so they might need a little water, but the next one is a Arteza, and this is Pearl Marmalade. Isn't that pretty? So I will link the box that these metallics came in. I got them on Amazon. All right. You can also buy it directly from Arteza, but I don't think it makes a difference cost-wise. Next one I have is a golden iridescent copper. Love this color. Yeah, see, that one's a little thinner, so we're going to have to thin these paints. Next one is a pearl deep brown by Arteza. You can see that. It's so pretty. And next one is Iridescent Pearl by Golden. All right. So that is my color palette. I'm going to be pouring on a black base. So I have my Artist Loft Flow Acrylic Black mixed up. All my paints are 1.5 parts Floetrol to a little bit of water. Some of the ones that are like thicker need to have more water. You'll figure that out. But like this one didn't need as much water. This one didn't need as much water. But anyway, so I'm going to get myself set up. I have a 10 by 20 inch canvas ready to go. I just tape the back of it and we'll get started. All right,